Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. There are three things that happen for sure. That, Texas, and the fact that Paul at Fit After 50 will come out with a Monday or Thursday workout, which we've been doing for 5 years right now. We've not skipped a beat. Today is a core workout. Also, first workout post-Christmas. So we want to work off those cookies that we've had over the last few days, but we all know it's not going to happen in one workout. So today is a core workout, like I said, a little more intensity, 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off, nothing else, no repeat. Let's get started in 5 seconds. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul and I'm going to be taking you through today's core workout. Three things happen for sure in life. Like they say, dash, taxes, and well, the Fit After 50 and Paul will come out with a Monday or Thursday workout, which we've been doing for 5 years right now, and we have not skipped a beat. Like I said, today is core. First workout post-Christmas. We all want to work off those extra calories we've had, but we all know it doesn't happen in one single workout. Having said that, today's workout, we have a little more intensity, but not because it was Christmas, just because we haven't done that in a while. So today's workout is a no repeat, 10 exercise workout, 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. It's going to be tough. I expect to struggle through it because I always say my workouts are your workouts. Hopefully you get through it with me, and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. All right, and welcome back. We'll get started in 10 seconds. Let's get down on the ground for some bicycle crunches. Remember, we're moving through this quickly today. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep it up. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax for a couple of seconds. Flip on over, plank hold. 3, 2, 1. Plank position and hold it. Stay right here, right with me. 10 exercises today, we got this. I'm ready to be challenged. Hopefully you're ready with me. We'll see how it goes, right? 30 seconds left, keep it up. Nice tight plank. Tighten up those hamstrings, those glutes. About 15 seconds left, keep it up. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Flip on over. We don't have time to get up between exercises like we normally do. We're going for Russian twists in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Thirty seconds left. Keep going. $20. 10. 3, 2, 1. Flip on over, mountain climbers. Ready to go? 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's go. Keep it up. Halfway. Ten. 2 and 1. Whew. All right, flip it over. Sit-ups. Keep my arms straight up in the air. And we're going 50 seconds. Let's go. 1. 30 seconds left. Halfway done with the workout after this one. Keep it up. Seconds. Two, 1, and up. All right, back to the plank position, plank jacks. 50 seconds. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. You can take your time in between, like I am. Keep the lower back tight. 50 seconds is a long time, pace yourself. Thirty seconds left. Fifteen. 5. And that's it. All right, candlesticks, all leg raises with a little kick towards the ceiling. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And down, and up, and down. There we go. And down. If you can do a little kick towards the ceiling, it's okay. Just give me a leg raise like this. Otherwise, a little kick. Keep it up. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Guess what? Back in the plank position, plank walkout. Walk out as far as you can and come back. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Give me a plank. Just walk it out a little and come back. And come back. Walk it out. Come back. Out. Hold it, back. Out. And back. Out. And back. Out. 10 seconds, back. Let's walk it out one more time. Out. Hold it. And back. 1 and all right. Now that's 2 more static holds and we are done. This is the banana. 3, 2, 1. Legs up, torso up, and hold it. If you want to make it more challenging, put your arms behind you. I am challenged enough right now. Hold it. Hold it. Keep everything tight. 30 seconds left. Oh yeah. Feeling it. Holding it. We got it. Come on. 20 seconds left. Get in the zone. Close your eyes. Just relax through it. You got this. Get that torso up. Get those shoulders off the ground. Push it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And for the last time, flip on over. You want to walk your arms out and hold it for 50 seconds. As far as you can. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Walk it on and just hold it. They shouldn't be directly underneath you. This floor is very slippery, so this is the best I can do here. Also a good excuse because I'm tired. My arms are gonna keep on slipping. Give me a straight on plank. My arms are sliding forward. Makes it more difficult. I am not going to give up. 30 seconds left. We got this, guys. Come on. 20 seconds. Stay with me. Let it burn. Beautiful. 10 seconds left. We got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Woo! Well, I hope you guys had a great time with this workout. I know I felt, especially last couple exercises. This is Fit After 50, guys. My name is Paul. I hope you guys had a great, wonderful Christmas. And I'll see you guys during the next workout.